Hello and welcome to Leon's Lockpad. And Saturday today we have a Scandinavian Oval. It's a no-named one, but it's a really good quality one. I got this from Ben Jaxified when I got a big collection of locks off him, and he sent me some really unusual and awesome high security locks. This is in the Oval collection. I'll show you the bitting. It's a 7-pin. Works absolutely gorgeous, faultless. Also, I have a massive parcel. It's not a massive parcel. I didn't mean that. I've got an absolute fantastic parcel from Tony Worrall. I was asked to do some more lockpicking tutorials. I used to do them. They're in my playlist, and I asked if I'd do some more. And I was waiting for something to come visually better to do lock picking tutorials, and he sent me two things which are fantastic. I all expected one. The guy's a legend, but I will show you hopefully after we pick this. Let's see, we're going to use a Bobby Keys, it's a medium hook and a pry bar. I hope everybody's doing well. I want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers and my new subscribers. Welcome to the channel. I've gone past the 1500, which is absolutely fantastic. Couldn't believe it when I checked. And even though we've hit the mark, you've still got 2 weeks to do the vice versa challenge number 3. I said it would take 3 weeks. We've gone past a week, so you've still got 2 weeks to go. I will not announce the winners until the 2 weeks is up. And I've got Will to say is Ash Lock Noob, very funny mate. I watched his video of him having a go. He didn't want the prizes, he just wanted to have a go, and it was great watching. It sounds horrible, it's funny watching people suffer when they're trying to do this, because it's the most oddest feeling. We're going to click from 7 and 6. But yeah, I like doing the getting people to do the vice versa challenge. It's funny to watch. And the thing is, you know, your brain knows how to pick, but once you swap hands, the hand has no idea what it's doing. But well done to everybody who's took part at the moment. I've stuck you all on a playlist for the vice versa play, so people want to catch up on anyone's vice versa challenge, you can go to my playlist and you can watch them. The number 3 one anyway, I've kept it on there so I can keep account of the times that people did the challenge in. We've got a really nice default set with this lot, but I don't know what's going on with it. That's set. It's like we're missing something. Sorry, you're out of focus there. I do apologise. A 3 set, 2 set, 7. I'm not getting no counter from 6. I've got a bit of counter then and a click from 5. It's not 4. Well, that core turned then, and that was on. Can't be 6. Oh, let go of the tension wrench then, and that turned into a really deep fault set again. And if anybody knows the type of this lock, please let me know in the comments. definitely being stubborn. I've gone for a deeper hook. This keyway being so wide. Hung up on something now. There we go. Drop back down again. Lift the lock up. There we go. Sliding down. Right, not 7 or 6 or 5. Four seems to be set. Oh, we're open. There we go. Wow, that was on 2. Oh, my fingers, look. Oh, let's get this open. What a tricky one that one was. Right, well, we can lock this back up. Let me adjust the camera. And let's get the tools out that we need. Use what am I looking for? I need this. I'm going to pause this while I try and get this off, because this thing, if you look, just spins. Right, there we go. We've got it off. That was an absolute pain pulling that thing off. It was not fun at all. Right, I'm going to use a beautiful titanium follower. Let's put the key in and turn. Just slightly. There we go. Right, we need a tray. Use Ghostbusters pinning tray for this. So, as you can see, everything needed picking. 7 pins. The tapered as well. Let's just dump these out first, and then we'll have a look at them when we're done. Let's see the magic and all the trouble that was causing me. So we have a spool. Number 2, we have a, whoa, look at that. That's cool. It's like a chess piece. It's not one of lock me. There's nothing like that. Well, that is a really strange one. We've got a spool in 3. We've got another one of those strange ones. Not something I've seen something similar, but I can't remember what out of. I know there'll be people out there who'll know what they are, so please let me know. Another spool. And another one of those. Wow, no wonder this thing was giving the strangest of feedback. And we just got one that's got tapered ends. All the springs are the same. I'll show you the springs, but there's no point us doing them. I've got one missing. Got one spring I think he's stuck. Let's have a quick look. I'm not chancing that if he is stuck. There he is. We got him. I didn't want to overstretch him or damage him in any way. Right, let's have a look what we've got. Zoom in a little bit. So we've got tapered end drivers, we've got spools, and then we've got these things. No wonder this lock was giving me so much grief. They're very, very cool pins. Spool in number 3. Same one of these strange ones in number 4. Spool in 5. Strange ones in 6. Like a big spooly wedding cake type thing. And then we've got tapered ends, like a standard one in 7. That was a very cool lock to pick. That was a tricky one as well, especially it has no name. Sorry about the camera. But let's have a look what Tony sent me. So we'll put this off to the side. So we'll be having doing some tutorials. He sent me one of these, which is a tutorial. Well, for me, using for tutorials, it's a lock aid. It comes with, at the moment, it's got a standard pinning and a standard driver. So it teaches you how to get, what our pins react with the core. So we've got a spool to interchange. So we could and it's a serrated spool. We have a standard spool, and we have a serrated driver, as well as a stock. It wasn't just this he sent me this one as well, which is outstanding as well. This is look at the size of this one, and this comes with a 3D printed spring, which is awesome, and it works. And then he sent me this one. This is fantastic. As you turn it clockwise or clockwise, you can see how a spool reacts when you get that counter, and it pushes you get counter, it pushes your core back round. That's because you've got a spool. Well, the extra ones he sent me for this is we've got a standard, we have a T-pin, we have a serrated half standard and half serrated, which is fantastic, and we have a mushroom spool and a standard spool. So a big shout out to Tony Worrall, absolute fantastic guy. He's on Facebook, and he will do 3D prints for you. All he asks mostly of the time is you send him some locks. He just doesn't want Yales. He's got lots of them, but he'll certainly help you out. He'll just send him some locks. I know I've done it before. He did me something, and this is what I wanted, and I'm going to send him another nice package of locks, because I can now get my like I say, people have been asking me to do tutorials, and now I can do them for beginners. And hopefully this will make things a lot easier for them, and it'll make it a lot easier for me visually than a cutaway, which is very tiny. You got to really zoom in. But with these, you can really clearly see what's going to be going on, and you can see this is the keyway. There's your warding. But fantastic. Thank you very much, Tony, my friend. Absolute awesome of you. I hope you liked this video. Like I say, a big shout out and a big thank you to my subscribers and my new ones. You're all awesome. This channel wouldn't be here without you. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, and bye. Don't forget to like.